India records whopping 3,875 COVID-19 cases in a single day. The total tally almost 50,000 now in India. MEA to evacuate stagnant Indians abroad within a week's time prepares plan to evacuate them. Adpai locals complain that ferry services continue even after 7 p.m. even though everything is supposed to be closed by 7 in the evening. No social distancing possible. 3 Indian photojournalists wins 2020 Pulitzer Prize. Awards announces virtually due to coronavirus. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza and now the news in detail. India has recorded a bigger single-day jump of 3,875 COVID-19 cases. With this, the total tally of COVID-19 cases has almost reached 50,000. In the last 24 hours, more than 194 deaths were reported and around 1,295 patients have recovered.
India has reported 49,391 COVID-19 positive cases till date, out of which 31,643 are active cases. 1,694 deaths are reported and 14,863 patients have recovered. Maharashtra is leading with more than 14,000 cases, followed by Gujarat 5,804, Delhi 4,898 and Tamil Nadu 3,550 cases. Amid surging COVID-19 cases, the Kalyan Dombivli and Ulhasnagar civic bodies have prohibited travelling to coronavirus hotspot Mumbai from May 8 till further notice. Both corporations have started gathering information about employees who go to the city for work and will share it with the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. As Mumbai becoming the epicenter of the COVID-19 infection, these civic bodies have observed that most positive cases are of people who travel to Mumbai for work, including police officers, BMC workers, bank and hospital employees and their close contacts. Telangana has become the first state in India to extend the lockdown till 31st May. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has said the state government would follow central guidelines on allowing activities except those in red zones. Also, the 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. night curfew will continue across the state for the duration of the lockdown. Telangana has reported 1,085 COVID-19 cases. Situation in the world is still grim. The COVID-19 cases have crossed more than 37 lakhs. 2.58 lakh deaths have reported and more than 12 lakhs have recovered. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Many Goans are stuck abroad due to locked borders and who want to come back home. Now the Union Ministry of External Affairs has prepared a plan to bring back our countrymen from the May 7th. Says they will be brought back within a week's time. MEA has arranged 64 flights to bring back Indians stuck abroad. These flights will land in various states of India and evacuation is supposed to complete within 1 week's time. On day 1, MEA has set target to evacuate 2,300 stagnant Indians, citizens from UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UK, Singapore, Malaysia, USA, Philippines and Bangladesh. On day 2, the plan is to evacuate 2,050 Indian citizens from Bahrain, UAE, Malaysia, USA, Bangladesh, Kuwait, Singapore and UK. On day 3, same number of Indian citizens to be evacuated from Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, USA, Bangladesh, Philippines, UK, UAE. On day 4, 1,850 citizens to be evacuated from Qatar, Malaysia, Kuwait, Singapore, UK, Bangladesh, UAE and USA. On day 5, 2,200 citizens will be evacuated from Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, UK, UAE, Bangladesh and USA. On day 6, 2,500 citizens will be evacuated from Malaysia, Oman, UK, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, Philippines, Bangladesh, Singapore and USA. While on the day 7, the last day, 1,850 citizens are being planned to be evacuated from Kuwait, Philippines, Bangladesh, UK, USA, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia and UAE. It's a Goa 365 Bureau Report. Three photojournalists from Jammu and Kashmir were among of the 2020 Pulitzer Prize winners. The awards were announced virtually last night owing to the coronavirus outbreak. AP photographers, that is Chani Anand, Mukhtar Khan and Dar Yasin, snaked around the roadblocks, sometimes took cover in strangers' homes and hid cameras in vegetable bags to capture images of protest, police and paramilitary action and daily life. The Pulitzer Prizes is the most prestigious award in American journalism and have been handed over since 1917 when news publisher Joseph Pulitzer established them in his will. It's a Goa 365 Bureau report. We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The seafarers issue is still pretty hot. On Tuesday, the opposition attacked the government over the seafarers issue, approaching the governor on the issue, while the Goa Forward attacked the government, calling it deaf and dumb and alleging stepmotherly treatment to the seafarers. Leader of opposition Digambar Kamath along with Seafarers Association members met the Goa Governor Satpal Malik over the issues of seafarers who are yet to disembark off to vessels in Mumbai. They also discussed the issues related to paid quarantine for seafarers and also the other seafarers who are stuck in other ships and other oceans. Governor said that he will take up the issue with the centre when required.
आता पयर गव्हर्मेंटान स्टेटमेंट केला क्लियरली सामको की एनी गोवन कमिंग बॅक टू द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा विल नॉट बी चार्ज फॉर क्वॉरंटायन वीच वी हॅव वेलकम्ड ऑल्सो कारण गोंयकार जो परतो येता जे खुबशा राज्यांनी केला केरळान केला महाराष्ट्रांनी केला ते तांचे म्हणण्या प्रमाणे जो कोण परतो येता आपल्या स्टेटी भितर ताका क्वॉरंटायना खातीर पयशे दिवपा पडपा जायना तीच यार्डस्टीक आमचें म्हणणें सीफेरर जो परतो गोंयाक येता होय गोंयकार तो परतो गोंयाक येता तो ऑल एज इट इज तो आतां त्रासाक आसा कारण थंय आतां थोडे जाण आसा ते शिपाचेर आहा ते म्हणटा 2 म्हयने जाले तांकां पगार ना आनी ताका लागून तांची परिस्थिती सामकी बिकट आहा आयचे परिस्थिती कंपनीचे परिस्थिती पयलीं भशेन ना आनी हातूंतल्यान एक भंय आसा की अशें जर जालें जाल्यार मुखार जेन्ना परत तांकां पळय क्रुजाचेर व्हरपाचो टायम येतलो तेन्ना कदाचित कंपनी म्हणटले मागीर आमकां जर तुमी अशे त्रास करता जाल्यार आमी गोंयच्या क्रुजाक व्हरपाक ना गोंयच्या क्रुजाक आमी मागीर पळयतले गव्हर्नरान सगळें आयकून घेतलां आनी गव्हर्नरान सांगलां आपूण ज्या स्टेजीचेर खंय उलोवपाक जाय समज दिल्लीक कोणा कडेन उलोवपाक जाय जाल्यार आपूण तांचे कडेन हो इशू घेता कित्या खातीर बाबा ते डिसेंबराक जायना होम मिनिस्ट्रीची NOC आसा वीच इज एप्लिकेबल टू ऑल द शिप्स अशी परिस्थिती आसा न्ही
तुमकां कितें दिसता कन्फ्युजन हें जें तुमी म्हणलां न्हू जाल्यार तें कोणा वटेनच्यान जालां अशें दिसता
आतां ताणें क्लियरली हांव पयर चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडेन उलयल्लो चीफ सेक्रेटरी म्हाका सांगतालो की आमच्या सायडीन हे 2 शिप्स थंय आसा पळय आमच्या सायडीन आमचो रोल येता ते एकदां डिसेंबराक जाले की ते गोंयांक हाडपा जाय तांकां बसींनी गोंयांत हाडून पयर जशें हाडले पयरचे शीप येवन डिसेंबराक जालें ते गोंयांत आयले तांणी क्वॉरंटायनाक दवरले तांकां.
So we have told the governor, please note of this, so there should not be a unemployment issue. Plus the people will be coming from the Gulf as well. So please try to speed up and get the permission for the seafarers to come home on the chartered flight. Take permission as soon as possible. So this was the request. Now that airlines are operating, they are bringing the Indian stranded, but not seafarers. So what that means by data? Now there are almost 10-12 ships are on the way to India, because they don't see any Indian government, any positive reply.
While on the other hand, Goa Forward Supremo and Fattauda MLA Vijay Sardesai has called the present BJP government deaf and dumb. While Pororim MLA Rohan County tweeted saying that the BJP government is stepmotherly treatment given for the seafarers. Watch.
We knew that this government of the BJP in Goa was deaf and dumb. Now it has been proven that it is impotent. There have been numerous petitions on behalf of their families by politicians, by political parties, by NGOs, by the Goa Seamen's Association of India for last more than a month, even by the Goa Forward Party. Now the Goa state government, which is responsible for the well-being of its subjects, should have taken up this matter with the central government. It acted deaf and dumb. For weeks, for days, they were goaded to take this symbolic action. When some of our seafarers aboard the Marella Discovery made an SOS video and they threatened, their families threatened to come on the roads. These people said that if you want to get credit, then you will have to get our dead bodies back. So by this sort of sustained moral pressure, the government took some action. This action of rescue is not even 1% of the total number of seafarers who must have been stuck in different places of the world. However, this rescue attempt also has been botched up by the government because it took them a week to get them into a quarantine facility in Goa with so many protocols, payments, etc. Now this is like this BSNL recorded message which says all the lines in this route are busy, kindly call after some time. This is like a recorded message which we heard from these turncoats, from this ruling party, from this mouthpieces of the government who incidentally are not even in the ruling party. So despite the government and its mouthpieces saying this, saying that the matter is taken up every day with the powers that be in Delhi, nothing is happening. So what are we supposed to understand? That nobody is listening to the government, Goa government in Delhi. एक क्लियर कट कळटा की आमचे जे गोंयकार भाव आहात, जे खूब कडेन स्टँडर्ड आहात, जे आमचे नॉन रेजिडेंट गोंयकार आहात आनी आमचे तारवटी आहात, हे जे भायल्या देशांनी झिरकल्यात, उरल्यात, हांचे खातीर सरकाराच्यान कांय करूंक जायना. सरकारान आज मेरेन फक्त एम्प्टी प्रॉमिसीस दिल्ल्यो आहा. कितें करपाक? It is not a rescue of these seafarers and a rescue of these stranded non-resident Goans. It is a rescue plan for these turncoat MLAs who are facing the wrath of the people in Salsette.
Our video journalist Irshad Sheikh with Sham Chari and Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 in Panaji. Locals from Adpai in Ponda have raised serious concern over the ferry service between the Adpai and Durbat. While the government has made it clear that all operations will be between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. But locals say that the ferry service continues till late in the night and no social distancing is maintained. Watch this story in detail.
संबंध फक्त गोंयान दिवाळी आनी तोडण हे दोनूच कडेन फेरी चालू आशिल्ल्यो, पण हांगा अशें जालें की कोणाक लागून तरी एक मनशा खातीर की हांगसर तेणी आडपय रास्ते फेरी चालू केली आनी हांगसर ते हांकां स्टाफांक कर्मचाऱ्यांक तेजे हे सुद्दां नाशिल्लें, परमिशन आयलें, फक्त फोनाचेर तेणी तांकां ऑर्डर दिल्ली की तुमी फेरी चलया म्हणून, आनी ते ऑर्डर चलयताले, कर्मचारी चलयताले, कारण वयले ऑर्डर आशिल्ले. आनी जाली हाका आतां रोखडाच थोडे दिसा भितर ती सुरवात केल्ली तेणी लॉकडावन जावन. पण आतां जालां कितें की तेन्ना सामाजीक हे सुद्दां आसनाशिल्लें ताका, आनी परत तेणी हें केलां. आतां जेन्ना परत सुरवात म्हणजे कायदेशीर सुरवात जाल्ली आसा जाल्यार ताका 7 ते 7 पर्यंत दिल्लें आसा. तरी आसतना रातचे 12 पर्यंत आतां जी म्हाज्या फाटल्यानसून पयली ही फेरी आतां दुसरी आयिल्ली आसा. हांगसर आडपयच्यान जी रासय फेरी गेल्ली आसा ते फेरयेक सकयल फूल पॅसेंजर भरलेले आसा, मोटरसायकली भरलेले आसा, आनी त्या हेतूनसून ते सामाजीक डिस्टन्सिंग कांय नासतना ते इतक्यो भरून वयता जे आमचे आज पर्यंत जे गोंयान मुख्यमंत्र्यान मेहनत घेवन हे करून जे आमच्या कोरोना पासून पयस उरलेले आसा ते परत खंय तरी खंयच्यान तरी कोणी येवन ते हांगसर गोंयान लागण जावंक शकता. तेजे खातीर जे सरकारान नियम घालून दिल्ले आसा की अमुकूच हितून फेरयेन बसोंक जाय की वचोंक जाय.
हे लोक खंय वता सगळे?
हे लोक थोडे कामाक वयता, थोडे आपापल्या सोयऱ्यांगेर जावं आनी खंय हे मडगांव हांकां. आतां खंयचे जर ही खरी फेरी म्हटल्यार हांगसर लोकांक आशिल्ली, मडकयची ती हाच्यान फेरी आसा, थंयच्यानी वचोंक जाय न्ही. पूण सगळे जर हांगसरल्यान वचोंक लागले जाल्यार फेरीचेर ताण येता, तांकां हांकां सुद्दां ते फायरींग दिता कर्मचाऱ्यांक लोक. आणि रातच्या 12 पर्यंत फेरी चालू उरता.
सीएमान हे केल्लें आहा न्हू 7 ते 7 लॉकडावन आसा म्हणून आमकां एक ट्रीप एक्स्ट्रा वाडयल्या कितें सांगता 10:05 आनी येता आसतना कोण येता एमएच येता आनी एकटोच मनीस येता रातचो. हे 2 जाणां खातीर आमकां ट्रीप वाडयल्ली आहा. कितें म्हणून करपाचें आमी पयल्यार आमकां ऑर्डर ना.
तुमगे फेरीबडी मातसो सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग कांयच ना मागीर ते कांय सांगू ना तुमकां.
आमकां सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग म्हटल्यार आमच्या ऑफिसान सांगल्यार पण लोकूच आयकना जाल्यार आमी कितें करतले. लोकांनी चिंतूंक जाय न्हू तशें आहा.
लोकूय आयकना
आमी म्हणून कितें
टायमींग कसो तुमचो. टायमींग
आमचो आतां अर्द्या वरान केला म्हणजे ते सायडीसून टायमींग चेंज जायत आसता. जशी लोकांची झगडी जाता त्या प्रमाणे टायमींग चेंज जाता. आमी कितें करपाचें आमकां कांय ना ऑर्डरूय ना कांय ना सद्या.
तुमकां अशी ऑर्डर बी कांय ना की बाबा फेरी भरली की रोखडे वचपाचें आनी परत.
ना आमकां टायमींग दिल्लो आहा अर्द्या वरान सोडपाचें म्हणून. आमी अर्द्या वरान म्हणजे अशें सांगलां बोल्ले अथवा ना बरो अर्द्या वर जाल्यार अर्द्या वरान सोडपाचें म्हणून सांगलां. लॉकडावनाचो टायमींग आहा डेली न चुकता झगडी आहात. लोकांक कितें सांगलें म्हणजे आमकां ऑफिसांसून टायमींग दिल्लो आसा अशें सांगलेलें आहा. आमी सांगलें न्हू आमचे कडेन लोक झगडी मारता ऑर्डरी मागता. वयल्यान टायमींग मागीर हांगलो सरपंचाक आपयता आनी फेरीबोटी स्टार्ट करता परत. भरली म्हणटकीर वयचें म्हणून. आतां ऑफिसाचो टायमींग आयकतलो सरपंचाचे आयकतले काय लोकांचे आयकतले आमी कोणाचें म्हणून आयकतले. डेली कंटिन्यू आमकां फेस करचें पडटा लोकांक.
Our reporter Krishna Naik in Ponda for Goa 365. For the past 2 days, migrants from various parts of the country have been queuing up near the municipal garden in Margao to fill up their forms to return home. However, they have not been observing social distancing and there was no one to enforce that. Also, the government has not even given any clarity on the issue and coordination with other states is dismal.
Around 2,000 migrants could be seen standing in queue at the Margao Municipal Garden. Police have been compiling a list of the migrants who want to go back to their native places. The list will be given to District Collector, who will then arrange the transport to send the migrants home. Migrants from neighbouring states such as Maharashtra and Karnataka will be transported by bus, while those from the distant places will be evacuated by trains.
Government of India जे मायग्रंट लोकांक जे आतां तांकां आपल्या गांवांक वचपाचें ते प्रोविजन जे दवरलेले आसा आनी तेज्या खातीर म्युनिसिपालिटी येवन तुमी रेजिस्टर करपाचे आसात. हांगा पळयतकीर तुमी पळयात की हांगा कांयच सिस्टमॅटीक ना. सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग म्हणटा ते व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. गोंयान आमी आजून पर्यंत बरे राखलेले आसात. गोंयान आजून केस ना. अशें समज लोक हे अशी क्यू करून ना सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ना कांय ना जाल्यार हे आमकां प्रॉब्लम जातले. मुखार म्हजी अपील आहा तांकां पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाक की हे जे मनीस जे रावला तुमी पळयात तेज्यात कांयच तर सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ना. तांकां येवन सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग करून हे लायन सारके करपाचें.
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Margao.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The routine meeting of State Executive Committee was held on Tuesday. The meeting was chaired by Chief Secretary Parimal Rai. Migrants issue, testing and other social distancing. Kadamba Transport Corporation has also been directed to ensure that health workers' transportation happens hassle-free.
Highlight of SEC Health. 348 samples tested, highest number of tests done in Goa. Lab releasing test results in 2 shifts to fast-track process and discharge of tested patients. Migrants. Focus on movement of distressed migrants as emphasized in MHA guidelines. Nodal officer asked to plan accordingly. Liquor sale. Excise Commissioner informed social distancing followed in liquor outlets. Boards were displayed outside units. No mask, no liquor. Civil supply. Action against FPS owners who have not yet lifted this stock. Supply of food grains discontinued by KTCL buses as supply is now normal. Prices of pulses came down due to subsidized distribution. KTC Transport ran 42 relief buses. SEC advised bus services for health services and government servants working night shifts should not be affected. SEC requested collector to permit the movement after NOG from Kerala government to bring back Goan stranded students and persons. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The Vasco police swiftly acted in a robbery case and arrested a youth residing near Pai Hospital in Vade in Vasco in connection with the theft. The police also managed to recover the stolen properties on Tuesday. The Vasco police had received a complaint from one Mayuresh Shetty of Bogmalo stating that unknown person had forcefully opened the dicky of his scooter bearing number GA06R4659 and another scooter GA06R3153 parked in an open space. Mayuresh had informed the police that his mobile phone was 6,500 rupees and cash of 200 rupees, while another mobile belonging to his friends worth 10,900 rupees had been stolen.
Yesterday, एक मयुरेश शेट्टी हेणे आपली बाईक पार्क केल्ली नियर बोगमालो NSD गेट. ती बायकान तेणे आपले 2 मोबाईल दवरलेले आनी वॉलेट दवरलेली. सो जेन्ना तो येयलो परत, that time he found his bike, the dicky was broken and mobile was stolen. So he came to the police station. We registered his case. We went to the spot. At the spot there was one CCTV camera. We examined the CCTV camera and we identified one fellow who was breaking the scooter dicky. The fellow was identified because 3 days back he had come as a complainant at the police station in some assault case. So his name was Haidar Ali, resident of opposite Pai Hospital, Vadem, Vasco, Goa. So he was brought at the police station and interrogated. He confessed of committing that crime. Further, he was placed under arrest in the same crime, in the theft crime, and both mobiles and a wallet were recovered from him. And now he is placed under arrest and we will be producing him today before JMFC for remand.
Our reporter Hiro Mahale in Vasco for Goa 365. Well, with that we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook at Goa365TV, and also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV, or simply download our app on both on Android and your iPhones to watch in mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.